Well, for the most part, the weather's doing exactly what we thought it would, putting down some steady and sometimes heavy rains, western, central parts of the state, heading into the northern part of the state, but not really moving too far to the east of the central mountain chain. Notice you get out here into the south central mountains, Sacramento's as we like to refer to them for the most part. We did see a pretty good slug of moisture developing here and some showers and storms earlier today, but the prevailing winds in the upper atmosphere tend to carry these things north, if not a little bit to the east of north there, and that is driving the rains away from us. So you get down here in the far southeastern corner of the state, had a few clouds kind of build up out there today. We can see those storm clouds out in the distance. We're just not able to quite pull the rain in just yet. Yet may be the operative word, because the monsoon rains, well, they're going to continue. You can see our Sunday setup here. We're still underneath this ridge of high pressure, so that's why we're still basically on the dry side, and those temperatures, no doubt about it, kind of hot. But the high pressure gives way a little bit and sinks to the southeast, rolling on into Monday. And while temperatures will still top out in the 90s in the dry sections of southeastern New Mexico, a little eastward tilt on the north side of this as those upper level winds go more southwest to northeast will introduce some showers possibly into parts of northern Chaves County, possibly even up to around the Clovis and Portales area. Will it make it into Roswell? Boy, it's a tough call. I'm going to go ahead and say the possibility exists, but really as we tilt this a little further to the east on Tuesday, Tuesday will be a little better day as far as rain chances are going to go. For the most part, I think the few clouds that are out there now start to kind of scoot away, and we actually clear out overnight, if you can buy that. Staying mild, then partly cloudy, 96 tomorrow. Stray shower could drift in from the west. Most of the showers will kind of park up to the north of here, but heading on into Tuesday, I think we will start to see some showers here. We're without the showers now, but not without the heat. Take a look at these numbers. 95 in Hobbs, 98 Carlsbad, 97 in Roswell. Contrast that to 66 in Ruidoso, and that's not just because Ruidoso's up in the mountains. That is because of the rain-cooled air that has been in that area. Now notice the dew points, they're fairly uniform across much of the state, upper 40s, lower 50s, so the monsoon has done its job in driving in the moisture. It just hasn't given us the rain at this particular point in time. That has more to do with that high pressure suppressing things. A little breezy out there, but nothing that's out of the ordinary this time of the year. Here's your big slug of activity right here. Looks like we may even have a little enhancement as far as a little atmospheric energy kind of kicking right through the middle part of the state. So you get up into that area around, say, Albuquerque and even up to Santa Fe later this evening, they're going to get a good dose of rain. That area needs the rain, but of course we need it down here as well, and so far it looks like just a near miss for us, but that could be changing as we take this monsoon pattern and let it roll the next few days. Today it's featured the rains west as high pressure's over us, but let that high pressure continue to scoot its way into parts of eastern Texas, which it will do the next few days, and I think by Tuesday we'll start to see a lot more of that activity start to come this way. Then late week, high pressure moves back in. This is going to shut off the monsoon, but we'll see a series of those cool fronts coming down the eastern part of the state, and that actually is going to work in our favor. Meanwhile, forecast model, well, it's still keeping all that rain to the west of us. So I'm expecting a mostly dry day tomorrow and another warm one, but bringing in the showers Tuesday. And how about that? Late week next weekend, we get